I welcome you all. Let's try to find out our operating current assets to sales ratio and operating current liabilities to sales ratio. For that purpose, I have prepared our Excel sheet as you can see. Inside this Excel sheet, I need to write operating current assets divided by sales. So I shall write sum and I shall go to my balance sheet, and inside my balance sheet, if I add all the items except cash and short-term investments, they are known as my operating current assets. So if we add all of them, you will get your operating current assets. And instead of adding them, we have already done our balance sheet rewriting, as you all know. So what I will do, I shall go to our balance sheet which has been rewritten and choose our operating current assets from there. Once I have chosen our operating current assets, I shall divide it with our, as you can see, the sales revenue. And when I divide it with our sales revenue, we will get our percentage of operating current assets to sales. The same pattern shall be applied to all the 5 years, and once we apply it on all the 5 years, we shall get our operating current assets to sales ratio. In the similar manner, we shall go and find our operating current liabilities to sales ratio. For that purpose, we shall go to our balance sheet which has been rewritten, and inside that we will find our operating current liabilities. And once we divide our operating current liabilities with our sales from income statement, we shall get our percentage of operating current liabilities to sales. The same thing shall be applied over all the years, and once we apply it on all the years, we shall get our every year's operating current liabilities to sales ratio. As we see the numbers of operating current assets to sales ratio, we can simply interpret that there is a consistency of this particular ratio. And also, if we see the operating current liability to sales ratio, there is also consistency in this. So based upon that, we can simply find the average of our operating current assets to sales ratio and average of our operating current liabilities to sales ratio for modeling our financial model. These will be used in our projected cash flow statement and projected balance sheet for getting the future period numbers from 2021 year onwards. And based upon that, I see you in the next session. Till then, bye bye.